the purple eggplant from the land of Sicily.
The abundance of potassium makes this eggplant an efficient alternative to the most common banana. Sportsmen will appreciate it for the prevention of cramps. It presents also good quantities of phosphorus, useful for the working of the brain, and of magnesium, necessary for our mood. Being composed for more than 90% of water, it is an excellent depurative of the organism. Moreover, the quantity of minerals present make these eggplants a good mineralizing and restorative.
It is suitable to be grilled. It is excellent for parmigiana and for other Italian specialities. Buy the purple eggplant and discover every week on the Facebook page Naturalmente Siciliano Italy all our recipes.
Thank you.